Good morning, writers. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. We will begin our persuasive writing lesson number 6. Our lesson objective is I can draft an opinion piece in which I introduce the topic I am writing about and supply reasons for the opinion. Let's get started with our warm-up. You have 30 seconds to circle the adjectives or describing words in the first two sentences. Then write your own sentence with one or more adjectives. Ready? And start. All right, writers, go ahead and stop. Let's go ahead and read the first sentence. It says, swimming is fun and healthy. What are the describing words? Which words are the adjectives? Let me read it one more time. Swimming is fun and healthy. Yes, the adjectives would be fun and healthy. That is the way the author is describing swimming. Let's read sentence number 2. Our basketball is big and orange. Which words did you circle as the adjectives? Let me read it one more time. Our basketball is big and orange. What is the author describing? The basketball. And he is describing it as big and orange. Therefore, those two words are the adjectives or the describing words. What was your sentence? Excellent. Go ahead, you have 30 seconds to circle the adjectives in the first two sentences and then write another sentence using one or more adjectives. Ready? Begin. Okay, go ahead and stop, writers. Let's go ahead and check our work. The first sentence says, that movie is exciting and funny. What words did you circle? Exciting and funny. Those two words are describing the movie. Therefore, those two words are the adjectives. Sentence number 2 says, I go to a long ballet class. What word or words did you circle? Yes, long. Long is the word being used to describe the class. What was your sentence? Awesome job. Writers, today we will be learning how to use transition words in our persuasive letters. This is the example of the letter that we have. It has the date, the greeting, the introduction, the reasons, the conclusion, and the closing. We have learned about the introduction, how making it interesting for a reader really helps. And last week we learned that using descriptive words also makes the letters interesting and convincing to our readers. Today we will learn that transition words help the reader read the letters smoothly, and, and identify all of our reasons. First of all is a transition word that we can use. Also is another transition word that we can use. These two, first of all, and also are example of transition words. Let's go ahead and watch this video to learn a bit more about transition words.
Let's imagine how a day with no breaks would look. You wake up in the morning and get ready as usual. Next, rather than watch TV or play with your toys for a little while before school begins, you go straight to school and right into your studies. Math first, reading next, then language arts and spelling afterwards. There's no free time, stretching, or resting, and there is definitely no recess. Eventually, things might stop making sense, and you would lose focus completely. Wouldn't that be exhausting? We need breaks during the day to make things go smoothly and help us ease into the next subject or activity. In the same way, we need to use transition words when we write to help our papers flow more smoothly from one idea to the next and improve clarity and understanding. There are many transition words to choose from. However, they can't all be applied to serve the same purpose. Examples of the different purposes transition words serve include showing importance or emphasizing, showing that something is different, introducing other ideas, demonstrating the effect of something, and showing order of events. Here are a few examples of transition words that fall into those categories. Emphasis. Examples include more importantly, indeed, or above all.
After listening to the video, what are transition words? Yes, transition words can help our readers read the letters fluently and also know what's coming next. We can use them to compare, we can use them to say the order of how the things will go. So there's different kinds of transition words. Today, we will be focusing on words that will help us to persuade our readers and also to let them know where can they find the different reasons for them to try the activities. Look at this poster. It is about transition words and phrases for persuasive writing. The first box says first of all, to start, one reason is. All of the words in the first box can be used when you are introducing your first reason. If I'm writing to Noemi to let her know that she should try hiking, I could say, Dear Noemi, I think you should try hiking because it can be fun, relaxing, and exciting. Period. First of all, it is relaxing because blah, 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 blah. Then, when I'm ready to give her my second reason, I can use words from the second box. It could be second, also, in addition, or another reason is blah, 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 blah. Then, our last box is when we're ready to give our third reason. Finally, one last reason is blah, 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 blah. So, writers, today I want you to go back to your letters, read them carefully, identify your reasons, and try to use one of the phrases or words that are shown in the poster. Remember, the first box is for reason number 1. Your second box is for reason number 2. And your third box is for reason number 3. Your turn. Go ahead and reread the letters you have written. See if you can add any transition words to make your letter more convincing. Remember, this will help your reader identify your reasons. And you can also write a new letter and try to use transition words. Don't forget to share your writing with me. I can't wait to read them all. Have an awesome day, writers. See you soon. Bye bye.